In today's lesson, we will learn more about modules. We learned about importing module. If we want to import all functions of module, how will we do that? If we want to know about all defined strings, variables, and functions of module, how will we know about them? How can we rename a module in our file? We will write a few short codes. Then we will know about performing all these operations. First, I imported my module. Then I accessed all its functions and performed their computation here. If I want to import any specific function, then I will write for module 1 import add sub. When I am going to run this, it will give me error module 1 is not defined. Whenever I have to call it, I will not do with module, rather I will call with the name of function. Now I am running and it is giving me error name div is not defined. We have imported only two functions. It doesn't know from where div function is coming. If you comment div and mul, then it will show output of both. To add both arguments, 10 plus 2 is 12 and subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. For module 1, we imported specific functions, the ones which were our requirements. The rest of the functions we didn't import. Till here was custom import of functions. If we want to access all dictionaries of our module, from that we have print. Which variables are passed in function? Which are the strings which are passed that we will see module? It shows us that div, mul, addition and subtraction are the functions. And these are the created strings of Python. When we import a module, they are created automatically. We have seen all functions, the variables, the strings, all the classes. It will show us here. We will see if we want to rename it. Rename means that we can't use module 1. We will only use M now. If I place only M here, it has shown the same output. It means that M is now working as module 1. If I have to call the same functions again, the ones I made before, then I will give it m.add10 to. It returned back 12. I didn't have to re-access with module 1. I renamed and used it. This was our custom defined module. We have many modules which come as default, like math. It is our built-in module which is available with Python. If we want to find square 16, it is given as error. Square root is not defined because for this we have to go to command prompt. The built-in modules which are not available, we install those. It is getting all its red information. Now it has shown the output. We are doing the mistake of calling the square root without module name. We have many other built-in functions. If we want to check those dir and we pass math, it will return back all functions available. We have cos, degree, exponent, sine, pi, power. It has returned back all these functions. It has returned back the answer of 2 power 10. First is number and second is power, which we need to solve.